Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about a very important thing to learn about the investing. And in this video we're not going to talk about the monetarily investment or something related to finance and all. But before than that, you and me and everyone else in this world should invest into. And this is something which everyone ignores these days, and that's nothing but our health. So in this video we're going to talk about everything regarding this investment into health, and we're also going to talk about one quote which really shattered or touched myself when I got through something. And apart from that, I'm also going to talk about the solutions. So yeah, please stay till the end and let me find a place to park, and then so that we can talk more about it. My name is Rajat and I am a qualified chartered accountant having experience of about 7.5 years. And my experience have been very diversified, and I've been lucky to work with one of the greatest organizations in the world. Now, before that, I invested around half a decade into my studies for becoming a chartered accountant, even more than half a decade. And apart from that, there are a couple of things I love to do all the time, which is like music. So I've been musician for about a decade now. And additionally, I also love to do photography. So I did a couple of shoots as well. I love to click nature pictures. I love to go outside and just, look at the nature and click its miracle which are out there. So for most of us, it would look like something very fulfilled life. And for me also, I loved being myself. I loved being a chartered accountant. Along with, I have some hobbies and interests as well, which keeps me alive, by the way, day-to-day life. And as they say, not all the stories have beautiful journey. So here I am. So for about 1.5 years, I have had pain in my lower back. And around 3 months back, I went to a doctor, and the doctor said that I need to get MRI done for my lower back. And when I got that, I realized that I have something called as disc bulge issue. And then I realized the meaning of a very famous quote which said that you have all the problems in the world unless you have one health issue, and then you have only one problem. So after that, my doctor said that I cannot do majority of heavy works, and I'm only allowed to do a lot of walking and lose weight through that only, which is pretty tough. And also my physiotherapist said that I'm only allowed to do 7 to 8 exercises, and all you have to do is regular exercises, and that way you can strengthen your core, and then you might reverse it eventually in the future. Now this video is not only about what are the issues I have faced and what I have realized. I also have solutions for many of you guys who are working just like me. And the only reason why I damaged my lower back was because of long sittings while performing, in the hunger of performing good in office, which eventually did not turn good. And let me tell you, if your core strength is not there with you, you also suffer mentally. And once you suffer mentally, it's not going to make you feel throughout the day, throughout the nights. You might feel insomnia as well, in some time. So before you get into those serious things, I would love to help you guys, and I would love to make you realize before it happens to you as well, that it's better to invest yourself right now in the health, which is the number one asset. So I have solution for someone who has to travel a lot and someone who doesn't have to travel a lot. So for someone who doesn't travel a lot, and you guys are living in your hometown or your office town, whatever the location is, so it's pretty easy for you that you can join the gym, or you can also buy the home workout equipments. Those are pretty cheap, not very expensive, but I would suggest to buy or go with some quality stuff. For example, my first set of dumbbells I purchased around 10 years back, and it costed me around 600 rupees. And I cannot believe that those still goes on, and there's nothing wrong with them. Those are amazing, and you will not find any issue with that. But now the problem comes with the people who travels a lot, for work or anything else, just like me. So recently I was in my work location, which is Bangalore, and I realized that it's not that hard to take care of your health while you're away from your home, or you don't have a permanent gym around you. So one thing you can do is to buy membership of these apps, which allows you to join or take access of multiple gyms. So most probably most of the small or medium sized gyms will be enrolled with these apps, and you can go wherever you are traveling to. Every city, almost every city, have these kind of gyms which are enrolled with this app. And if you want to know the name of the app as well, I'll mention in the comments. And apart from that, I would say, if you're not someone who would like to go to gym, I would say simply invest into something called as resistance band. And guys, let me tell you, this have been one of the greatest or best inventions so far. So with resistance band, you can do almost all the stretches and exercises at your home or wherever you are traveling. It weighs less than half a kg, and you can have like multiple resistance bands as well as per their strengths. So I do not see any other reason you should not be doing it, because I also have been doing it for around 2 to 3 months, and it's great. And I feel that there should not be any other excuse to us which comes between us and our healthier future. So that is it about this video. And with this video, I wanted you guys to know that before you invest into any financial assets, just invest in yourself first, and so that you do not have to go through something which I have been recently, which is not pretty bad right now. Let me tell you, a lot of pain are already in a very bad pain in their lives, and I would say, before we reach out to that situation, it's better to take care of our, or just take the leash of our own health in our hands. And so that's it, and I'm going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.